completely business. Forum is fully into the business. So finally, last the option for insurance. So it's always it works in this fashion only, First the finance, business, then later part insurance will come. And of course here entrepreneurs are there. So generally what they will do, you always look out for your employees benefits, always look out for. So here I'm a little bit of tweaking I'm doing. So what I'm saying is you are all investing huge money in your business, but end of the day you will lose out to take a time for yourself. So what exactly I need for my family, what is required, that nobody will look out. So generally what will happen, morning as soon as you get up, office work, regular hazards, legal issues, driver issues, employee issues, then your routine activities, then GSTs, then compliances. By the time the day ends, you will forget to mention that what happened to my family, what is that I'm taking away from helping my family in terms of security. So there is a biggest challenge what all of us will look out for. So we are also in this business for the last 15 years, and few of our Chidambaram sir is here only, so he is looking at me. So I know. Chidambaram sir also is here. So he is okay. Chidambaram sir is here. So we are glad to say that he has given us an opportunity to help to service all the fleet vehicles from almost 2 to 3 years we serviced him, and till today we are in very good books. Then Govindra sir, the entire fleet, whatever the fleets are there, we are looking out for his entire fleet vehicle. Thank you Govindra sir for all the opportunities. And Ramesh Krishna Travels, we know him, insurance for more than 10 plus years. So we are also taking care of all these vehicles, insurance, whatever is there. That is one part of the story. Now I am coming back to it is an individual requirement and your family requirement. So after 15 years of our experience, we come to know that and we break it down. There are 5 policies are very, very important. So the first policy is always look out for, we are talking about COVID situations. We have gone through that and everybody knows that what is the issue in COVID, how much money we spent on hospitals and people don't have insurance, people are having insurance. But end of the day, in India, if you look at only people are having, I'm happy with the 2 to 3 lakh rupees of policy, I have a 5 lakh rupees policy. But today 2 to 3 lakh rupees and 5 lakh rupees will not help you to get in and get out from the hospital. For simple kidney stone removal will cost you around 2.5 lakh rupees. So imagine what should be the coverage you should have. So that is very, very important. So there are 5 products we check it out and we told them there are 5 policies very, very important. One is your health insurance policy for yourself and your family, at least to start with 10 lakh rupees. And today there are lots of policies are available, which is called as top-up policies. The awareness is very, very less. Top-up policies are very important, which is covering 1 crore rupees of family insurance, which will cost you less than your pizza cost. The pizza cost is more than your top-up policy. The pizza cost is 3,000 rupees. If you are going with a family, it will cost you around 5,000 to 6,000 rupees in the pizza corner. But if you spend 1,500 to 2,000 rupees, which will cover the entire family for 1 crore rupees of health insurance with top-up policy. Then the third option which you are talking about, we are all Bangalore city, we know how difficult it to drive. Every minute we will be prone to the accidental zone. So if anything happens to us and you are all employers, so what will happen? Suppose if you are not able to go for an office for 10 days, 15 days or 3 months due to the major accident, so who will take care of your business and who will take care of all the expenditure, what is going to happen in the family? The one particular policy which we are talking about, the personal accident policy, which really adds value to all your basic issues in terms of it will cover whatever the number of weeks you are hospitalized. Suppose the doctor says that you have to be on bed rest for 16 weeks. The 16 weeks, whatever you are earning will be taken care by the insurance company. None of them are not aware because awareness is very less. People are coming and selling, trying to sell only the what and where they are getting the maximum benefit on that particular policy is always they look out for. PA policies again, which will not cost you much, which is again I am telling you, which will cost you only a pizza cost. But the coverage will be around 50 lakhs to 1 crore rupees. Imagine if you are not able to go to office for 16 weeks, the entire 16 weeks or 20 weeks as per the advice by the doctor, that money will be given by the insurance company as a compensation benefit. So that is again the third product. The fourth product is very important product is, as I told you, the term insurance, which is very important because we are all talking about COVID. We lost lots of loved ones. So imagine the families who are all struggled after the COVID to come out from that panic. One is the loss of loved one is one side, the financial losses and the liabilities. So all these things will be taken care by the term insurance policies. Again, it will not cost you more than 10,000 rupees per annum, 10 to 15,000 rupees per annum, which will cover you. Again, it will be around 1 to 2 crore rupees of policy, which really helps you. And the fifth and the lastmost option, which is very important for all of us, is the critical illness policies. See, because we don't know what is happening in our body, nobody knows. Tomorrow morning, suppose I get a vomiting sensation, I'll go to the doctor and they say that do some PET scan. After the scan, we come to know there is a first stage, a second stage, third stage, cancer will be there. And heart attack has become much higher in terms of after the COVID. Because might be that again, there's again the speculation is going on, vaccination is a concern, or what exactly is that, nobody knows. The research is going on. But end of the day, we are losing the lives because of the numbers compared to earlier, before COVID and after COVID which is on a higher side. So these are all the critical issues will be taken care under critical illness policy, which will give you instant money, which will give you the one-time settlement. Suppose if you are taking a 10 lakh rupees policy, the minute it gets diagnosed, anybody is diagnosed in the family, the instant money will be given to take care them for a better treatment. So these are the 5 policies which is very important. Like I still remember today's our main chief guest is Vijay Sankeshwar sir, and on that day when I was watching Weekend with Ramesh, so that point in time he was telling that I never ever had a thought of having own house because that was not my priority. That's really inspiring speech because of that I understood that yes, own house is not important. Owning an insurance of your own is much more important compared to having your own house. Because end of the day, having own house, without having your own insurance, you will end up selling that house to safeguard yourself. With this, I will say thank you to all and thank you to PTTOF for completing 25 years of successful, and I wish entire years and to become more success and more happiness to you and your family. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I request the joint secretary.